Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, March 26th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, as more and more countries are restricting the use of Bitcoin, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey says that it will be the single global currency in 10 years, according to his views. Maybe you don't agree with that, but it's going to be interesting to see as the years go by the effect of cryptocurrency on the global economy. The Microsoft Store is getting a dedicated tab to buy Windows devices. We knew that Windows devices were starting to get, some leverage in being sold through the store, but now a dedicated tab will be there just to go directly to buy stuff. Eventually, we'll also see devices from other companies like HP being sold online. Apple is going to try to renew its focus on education. Chromebooks are now more and more popular on the education market because of low cost and availability. Well, now Apple says that it wants to possibly have lower cost iPads and try to get back the education market. After a news report stated that Facebook is actually recording your calls and your text messages, Facebook wants to put things straight. They say that they are not recording any messages or reading any of your text messages on your phone, neither are recording your calls. All they are doing with the information is simply logging what contacts you are actually talking or going to. They say that this feature can be turned off, of course, and that it is not as bad as people think. Tomorrow in Chicago, there will be an education event by Apple. It will, of course, be interesting to see what it will launch in this event, but visibly, we probably think that one of those lower-cost iPads might be coming soon. Baidu in China is set to test self-driving cars pretty much everywhere, as the Chinese government has given the green light for self-driving vehicles to be on the roads. So this is another country that's adding itself to, of course, self-driving vehicles, which is more and more interesting to see on the roads. If you are running the anniversary update of Windows 10, this is 1607, well, remember that the end of support, its 18-month end of support, is going to be April the 10th. That means after this April 10th, which is typically Patch Tuesday, you will not receive any updates anymore and need to move on to a newer version. Federal government in the United States is coming back at devices to make them easier to hack or get into. They say that a new federal law that they want to put in effect would make it easier to actually go in the devices when they are encrypted with, of course, any court order, basically. Of course, Apple, Google, and Microsoft all say that makes no sense. If we put weaker devices, weaker security, there's more risk of getting hacked. Women in technology. A study says that only 49% of women feel that they are treated equally as men in the tech sphere. And they say that there are a lot to do still to make sure that women feel right. Of course, that study also says that it is maybe one of the reasons why not that many women are still interested in technology. And finally, Webroot says that Windows 7 users are more at risk than Windows 10 users when it comes to malware. They say that after actually looking and registering data that they have from their own antivirus, they say that Windows 7 users are up to 2 times more prone to get viruses than Windows 10 users. And they say that it is partly due to the increased security in Windows 10. And this was a Tech News Update for Monday, March 26, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.